Okay, today we are going to learn how to clean the table. Let's get started. Okay, so you can see that I have a square cloth I fold into a square, and I am going to put my hand flat on it, and it kind of helps me to grip it. To start, we are going to do the length of the table opposed to the width of the table, just because I think your arms are shorter than mine and this would be easier. Okay, let's do it. So we're going to start going along the edge of the table first. So let's go down all the way. And we're going to go up. And we're going to follow the, you can see the wet line. And we're going to go up. And we're going to follow all the way like that. Okay, then we're going to stop. We're going to come back around and we're going to start back at this end of the table and go the same way. Here we go. All the way down, following the edge. Up. Follow the way, the wet line. All the way. And one more time down the middle. You're done. Okay, your strokes might be shorter than mine, and that's totally okay. If you have crumbs as you're going along, you can also stop. The crumbs are here, you can fold it over and then just continue to go. If you've got lots of crumbs on your table, then you can just put your hand like a cup. You're gonna sweep the crumbs in, because we do this a lot when we're cooking in Madoc with my friends. We always have to clean up after, and I always have a couple students wipe down the table, and a lot of them just go like this. So this way now you can make sure you get every spot of the table. And that's how you clean the table.